Hey there folks, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today we're going to do another episode of What's in the Box?
What's in the box?
Let's get right into it. So I already know what this is because it's the only thing that was possibly sent to me in a tube. Something I ordered off of Etsy. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. Doo-doo-doo. It's a nice tube. So it's bubble wrapped. If I had fingernails, I could peel that off easier. Okay. Unravel this. Well, it's not exactly what I was expecting, but here we have it. So this is what I plan on mounting on a piece of wood or as a sign for the back of my studio when I'm doing videos. I'm actually happy with the way the print looks, but I had a couple issues. One being that because I planned on putting on wood, I wanted the wood to have to show through, so I was going to put it on clear, but then there was a thing saying that if you put it on clear, it's not going to be as vibrant. And so I was like, okay, well then I'll put it on a white. And actually I embedded a bitmap graphic of wood. So it was actually the wood print was supposed to be on here as well, but that didn't come through. So I'm gonna have to contact them. You know what? I'm gonna keep this. I'm not going to make them redo it and eat at their cost. I'm gonna pay for the second one because I can only use this one, and I just can't. I don't want to do that to a small business like that. But yeah, it's supposed to actually have wood, because in essence, the reason why I went with this is actually a vinyl white, so it's not gonna, like, I can put this on wood and you're not gonna see it because this white. But if you look at well, here, if you look at this, see the little white around this, that's what I was wanting. So that's not gonna, you obviously can't show that on this. So even though this is wrong, I'm gonna keep it, and I'm just gonna order another one. This cost me 40 bucks off of Etsy, and I'll put the link off the gentleman that did this for me. It's a very quality sticker, but yeah, it's not exactly what I was looking for. But I used, this was actually, so check this out. I used AI to actually generate this. So first I sent to Fiverr, which is, if you're not sure what Fiverr is a website where you can hire people to do different things. It's like across the board. You want somebody to produce, actually, okay, I'm rambling. If you want somebody to produce a video for you, or some music, or you want them to program something for you, you want them to write you a resume, you want a formal letter of something, anything you want, pretty much you can hire somebody on Fiverr to do, and you can do it pretty inexpensive. I've actually done things for other people on Fiverr. I've written some PowerShell scripts for people, and I made a little bit of money that way. But you can hire people for all kinds of different things. So So with this logo is my updated one, but this original one I actually paid somebody on Fiverr, and it would only cost me like 30 bucks or something. And I gave him a good tip because I was really happy with it. But check this out. So then what I did was, because I was doing some stuff on Amazon, I needed a brand. And so I needed to trademark my logo. And so with that, I had to go onto the government site, you know, for trademarks. And within there's a thing where you have to describe your logo to the best of your ability, describing color, shape, and different things relating to your logo image. And so what I did, I typed that up, and then I ended up not doing what I was going to do with it. So I had that write up about my logo. So then, you know, along comes AI, and then learning more about it. I was like, hey, I wonder what AI would come up with if I give it the description that I used to do the trademark. What's that going to look like? And I think I used Copilot as my AI generator, and I put it in, and wow, I was dumbfounded and amazed by what it produced. I think with it was giving me 4 different graphics of that, and I went through and so I put it in there, and it produced, you know, 4 different images that were, you know, pretty much similar to this. But look how much more detailed that is than the original that I used to give a description of. So I ended up just telling it again, you know, make it again. And so each time it would come up with different variations. And so I had like maybe 12 or more to pick from. And then this is actually, that was the final result that I went with. I was happiest with this one. But just to give you an idea of what AI can do for you, I was really impressed with it. And so anyway, so that's all, just a little history about where I got my logo image, for my updated logo image for my primitive guy channel theme, whatever. Anyway, I'm kind of rambling. Anyway, if you like this content, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell for upcoming videos. And once I get my updated one, my revised one that I send back in, I'll do another video and we'll go from there. So stay tuned.
What's in the box?